Hey yo! This is a review of the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin White Ranger. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the packaging. So you see the White Ranger there, the figure. A nice art of White Ranger. The name, Hasbro. And a cool looking picture of the White Ranger. And that's it for the packaging. Now let's unbox it. So now let's take a look at White Ranger. See the detailed costume, the tiger or the white tiger logo. So this is Tommy's second costume when he lost the green power. Zordon made another ranger and he chose Tommy again to be the new leader of the Mmpr, and this is him. Actually, this suit is from the Super Sentai series Dairanger or Dairanger, and the name of the character is not White Ranger, but it's Kibaranger or Kibaranger, Tiger Ranger. So now let's take a look at his accessories. First, he comes with his trademark sword, Saba, the talking tiger sword. Silver detailings, silver paint on the face. Tiger logo again. Next, he has this effect piece that you can insert into Saba. There's a hole here. There. That you can attach to. And he comes with two alternate fisted hands, left and right. And his last accessory is the Tommy Oliver head. This head slightly or moderately looks like the actor Jason David Frank. but it's okay. He has the ponytail. Why is my camera not focusing? So you can put Saba in the holster here if you want. Like that. And you can put it on his hand, just like that. Come on. You can make some poses, fighting pose, using Saba. And let's try out the alternate hands. Just pull out these two and up and oh wait, the new hands, the fisted hands, like that. You can pose him fighting fist to fist. Now let's swap the head with the Tommy Oliver. Yeah, it's kind of stiff. Yeah, come on, there you go. This is how he looks when you have the unmasked Tommy Oliver head. The guy who says Asih, Ayah, Ayah, Asih, 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 Ayah more than 100 times an episode. Asih, Ayah, Asih, Asih, Ayah, 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 Ayah. So now let's check out his articulations. So the head is on a ball joint, so you can move it up, down, slightly left and right, and can swivel all around. Arms can go up that much, and it will be hindered by the armor, but I think you can still go 360, yeah, if you want. It has butterfly joints for more action poses, bicep swivel, double jointed elbows, and wrist can rotate and hinge up and down with that ratcheted joint. Torso has an ab crunch, so you can do this one, but it's hidden underneath the armor, and you have this lower stomach joint, but he has no waist swivel. Legs can go that much, can do the split that much, not much backwards. Yes. Thigh swivel. Double jointed knees. And yeah, there's a boot cut. Feet can go up and down slightly. Yeah. It's ratcheted also, so be careful when moving that joint, and can swivel left and right. So now for comparisons, I have here Marvel Legends Deadpool, another Hasbro product. Mattel WWE Elite Shawn Michaels. He's much taller than White Ranger. Every an oldie but goodie TCUC Azrael. And lastly, I have here a SH Figure Arts Super Saiyan Son Goku. Son Goku! So that's it for my review of this Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin White Ranger. And also, I'd like to thank my friend Jess Alvin Angeles for giving me this toy as a gift. Thank you so much, bro. And I hope next time Green Ranger naman ang bigay mo. Joke lang. So guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day. It's Morphin time.